we go. Right, we're up. And what can we see? What can we see? Right, we're going to go up to max altitude, 100 meters. Look at that view, look at the view. Right, 120 meters. Let's go and see what we can see. So there's the peak of 𝐴𝐵 straight ahead. Can zoom up there. So that's the peak of 𝐴𝐵, and this walkway here is like the most common way to getting up. And I think this documentary where the woman fell, she fell from this angle here, which I'm going to mark on the screen just now. She was pushed off the top of the peak, which is a shame, a real shame. It is dangerous up there. There's only a couple of safe ways up. That's the main route up there. There was another way which is completely blocked off now. Coming up to 𝐴𝐵 here. So this is the main walkway here you see in front of me. This takes you all the way up to the peak. Now, as I say, the peak is over 250 meters tall. So we're going to have to turn back in a minute because I'm not going to be able to go right to the peak. But you can see in front of me, weak signal. So what we're going to do is we're going to stop there, and this is just reverse it a wee bit. We're going to come back. Oh, actually, we're not going to. Oh, okay. Lost signal, so it's the drone's going to come back now because it's lost signal, unfortunately. Wow, that's a shame.
Return to home.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the city of Edinburgh just here. I mean, look how beautiful it is there. Absolutely stunning. There's Calton Hill. Right there. Edinburgh Castle in the background just there. So we're at Calton Hill just now. There you go. You've got the National Monument of Scotland just there. You've also got the Nelson Monument, which is this big tall thing here on the right hand side. And I am here flying the drone, taking you around a wee tour of Edinburgh. Now, we've just been to 𝐴𝐵. We just had a look at 𝐴𝐵, and this is another view from 𝐴𝐵, a wee bit further away. And then you've got the peak right up here. There's the peak of 𝐴𝐵. Another view. And if we swing the drone right round, zoom out, there you go. Parnter Street, Edinburgh Castle. The sun is setting this evening. That's a better view there. We'll go up a wee bit further. We'll go further ahead towards Edinburgh Castle now. Parnter Street on the right hand side there. You've got the museum, art museum, and you've got Edinburgh Castle straight ahead there. I wonder how far we can go. Stunning. Let's take a look round. So there's the Royal Mile just there. Obviously it's there going down right in between all the houses. You've got Cockburn Street just here, or Cockburn Street that people like to call it. I call it Cockburn Street, but it's pronounced by Americans as Cockburn, but it's actually Cockburn Street just there. And then you've got another view of 𝐴𝐵 right there. Stunning view. And then you've got the train station just here. Waverley Bridge. And the Scots Monument just here, looking beautiful. And then you got St Andrew's Square, and then to your right you've got George Street, Newtown area. So this is New Town area here, Old Town area is this side. So it's separated by Princess Street and the train station. And then if we go back the way, go a wee bit higher, you've got the Balmoral Hotel. And then you've got New St James's Quarter right here. And then you've got Calton Hill again, which is where I am. If we go left of Calton Hill, you'll see the city of Leith. This road here is Leith Walk. Right in front of you, you've got the Army Centre, and then you've got Leith Walk all the way down there. And then in the background, all the way in the distance, you have, let's see if I can get there, the Firth Road Bridge. There you go, right in the back there. You can see the lights at the top flashing. Yeah, stunning view from above. There's Edinburgh Castle again. I'm going to get up close to Edinburgh Castle one morning, but for now we're just going to do it from Calton Hill. It's a bit quiet up here than it would be Edinburgh Castle this time of day. We're only at 80 metres high just now. You can go up another 30, so we'll go up a bit higher. But there you go, there's 𝐷𝐶 again. Popular on Netflix just now, and on the documentary on TV regarding the death of that woman in 2021. A shame, very shame. Right in front of you here, you have East Lothian. Portobello is down there. You've got North Berwick, all the way to Dunbar, all the way further ahead. Gullin is right dead ahead, this area here. I'm going to mark it with an X or an arrow just to show you. And then we're turning back down to Leith Docks. You've got here, just trying to find out where I am. Okay, so here is the Army Centre. Sorry, here is Ocean Terminal, and that's where you can go down there, and there's the cinema down there. You've also got the Royal Yacht Britannia, and you've got the boat as well. What's it called? The floating hotel down there as well. #1 on TripAdvisor, but 400 plus a night. Yeah, the views are stunning from up here. Yep, St Andrew's Square there. George Street. Let's see if we can get a wee bit closer. Beautiful. So from up here, you can see the difference between New Town and Old Town. It's elevated up a wee bit higher, but yeah, you've got Stockbridge as well down there, and a nice wee park here, only for the residents of Stockbridge. Yeah, it is a private park, believe it or not. Stunning. Right, so I hope you enjoyed this tour with the drone around Edinburgh. As I say, this is the first time flying it properly. I've been practicing for a while, so I will have more drone footage on the way. When my confidence goes up a wee bit more, then I'll definitely be doing more content with the drone, getting some master shots, some brilliant footage for you guys. Some shorts as well. Yeah, so make sure you're subscribed. Thank you for watching.